你妈的，I was blind. I don't think you'll be happy. I also very friendly, you know.
We are only following your orders.
What's the two countries?
We have no intention of doing it. Like you are.
你跟他讲，我现在有我，我到他那边去行不行？因为他我很有我。And my colonel wants. 我现在过去行不行 ？You, if I drive the car to that, she fussies, is okay?
No, that's not the point. The point is that area is, as per Indian law, is our border between. If
好，你妈的给我结果！你跟他讲，
that point in
现在你妈给我滚！否则有事情点一把直接回过他们去了。
Okay, if that area is disputed, you have to raise that.
I just want to tell you one
same
word.
reason raised. Okay, if we are given orders, if we have to hit that point, then we have to hit. We have no other option. Okay, if you have
My
given
colonel
some
wants
orders, you have to follow the
just
same
want to
order.
tell you one word.
Yeah, okay.
Tell the two countries go back right now.
I'll
Go
sort.
back right.
We will go right.
And if
We have no
if any argument, you will undertake the consequence, you know.
See, we are not here for argument or we are not here for fighting. Okay, India and India are friendly countries.
不想大家就滚！
We will go back. But the point is, the way you are hitting
你
our
妈讲老子今天非常死吃饭
that's。very wrong. Okay, that's not the way.
If you don't want to
have
fight
some
each other.
miscommunication, see, if we have any miscommunication, if we have some way, so we can talk. Okay, instead of hitting the vehicle, and that's a big loss.
Go.
Okay,
老子不指望他们。
again, yeah, go back right now. We are going right. Okay, we are going right
My
now.
colonel don't want
We
to
are already
argue
going.
with you.
Your vehicle that's not in front of us. That's why we
你
stop.
们今天我非常吃不？
Okay.
你就他妈的，我今天过了，他们给他讲，他妈的保证我不敢，今天他们都死到这地方。妈的！